Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to share with you our Armenia trip. So, from Georgia, we went to Armenia via train. This is one of the most unforgettable train rides we had. Let me give you a quick background. Before we fly to Georgia, we already applied for our Armenian e-visa online. Normally it takes around 3 working days to process the visa. The website to apply for e-visa is written down below, and we paid 23 dirhams each person for a 21-day stay, and this is the minimum option. We're only planning to stay for 4 days. Armenia is so beautiful, and 4 days is really not enough. Allow us to give you some tips if you want to travel to Armenia via train. First step is to buy your ticket in advance. You have options to buy a first class, second class, or third class ticket. We bought first class from Tbilisi to Yerevan and paid 147 GEL per person. Our return ticket is second class because at that time first class is not available. We paid approximately 160 GEL per person. Also, our return ticket is from Yerevan to Batumi to Georgia, which is a 16-hour ride. Sleeper'strain is a bit expensive, but it's all worth it. The train is new, clean, and comfortable. You can shower in one of the restrooms. They will give you free water, coffee, and juice. They will also provide clean pillowcases, bed sheet, and pillows so you can sleep comfortably. In total, we paid approximately 550 GEL for 2 persons. Okay, so the next step is travel insurance. Ensure that COVID-19 is covered in your travel insurance. We bought ours from Orient Travel. Next step is to book your accommodation in advance. Booking your accommodation in advance will give you peace of mind and will save you time. We book ours at booking.com. We paid 38,000 Armenian dirham, or which is equivalent to around 288 dirhams, and that's for 4 days. Really great value for your money, I would have to say. And here is the list of the places we visited. I have to say, food in Armenia is extremely affordable and delicious. We highly recommend the Taiwan restaurant located at the Northern Avenue. It looks like a fancy restaurant, but really affordable. Their meal ranges around from like 9 dirhams to 25 dirhams with huge servings. Okay, now the next step is important. Check for COVID-19 guidelines. A. Make sure that you have your PCR test result valid within 72 hours. B. Have your COVID-19 vaccination card ready. C. Before going back to Georgia, you must have your PCR test result taken within 72 hours. We paid 24,000 Armenian dram or 182 dirhams for 2 persons. D. Complete the online registration form when going back to Georgia. The website is written down below. Alright, last but not the least, create an itinerary and book your tours in advance. We went there in the month of July before the Eid holidays. Not that busy, but we have decided to book our free walking tour and private tours in advance to reduce the hassle. This is also one of the best ways to budget your money. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed our video. Reach out to us if you have any questions. If you're also interested to know how we traveled from Batumi to Tbilisi via train, watch out for our next video. Thank you. Goodbye.